National Polytechnic. My name's James Kinara Basweti. I'm very almost 1 month old in this institution, and I want to say that Nyamira National Polytechnic, formerly well known as Ekerubo Gietai TTI, was elevated to a national polytechnic in the year 2023 by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. The college enjoys offering around 72 accredited courses, cutting across agriculture courses, mechanical courses, masonry and carpentry. We have the business courses, and we have also the hospitality courses. And in the recent 2 weeks, we, in consultation with the management of the institution and the council, we are onboarding 3 new courses. That is automotive, level 4, 5, and 6. We are also onboarding catering and accommodation. We are also onboarding food and beverage. We are also onboarding extra courses so that we can capture the base of those ones who have not been able to make it to secondary. We are onboarding 8 NITA courses that cuts across level 1, level 2, and level 3. I think this will assist the community get their people getting skilled so that they can be able to earn a living for themselves and also earn a living for their families. I also say that the college requires a number of support areas, that is improved road network to the institution to give it the proper face of a national polytechnic, because the road network to the area is wanting. But I want to believe that the area MP has promised in liaison with the national government to see into improving the road network to the institution. The institution also requires a number of workshops, particularly like now the workshop for food and beverage, the workshop for catering and accommodation, and other related courses. We also need assistance and funding from the collaborators and the other partners, particularly the industry partners. I want to believe some of the industry partners are ready to give to the institution some equipment that will enhance the training of the trainees. On top of that, I also want to inform the public that as an institution, we enjoy receiving a lot of support from the national government and particularly from Treasury, because the students in the institution benefit on scholarships. There is Higher Education Loans Board funding, and there is also capitation that is given by the government to enhance those who are vulnerable from low-earning families that cannot be able to support their training and their fees and their upkeeps in the polytechnic. So the government is really supportive. I also want to finally say that TVET, as we talk today, is the master key to unlock the potential of unemployment in this country. Because we always say that education is the key, but I want to assure each and everyone that TVET is the master key to unlock all possible opportunities for unemployment in this country. Finally, I want to say that today on 17th of January, we have cast major interviews and practicals that are going around, and recruitment in our institution. we are quite happy and privileged that we have now the people from the community who are going to get those jobs. We have a number of them. They are displaying and dispensing their skill, and I'm happy. The progress is wonderfully good. Kasi Maju, kasi for the Kisii community, Nyamira community, and the Kenyan community. Thank you so much.